when you get caught in the rain, with nowhere to run, when you're distraught and in pain, without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved, but nobody comes, and you feel so far away, and you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone, it's okay. What you say is, I can make it through the rain. I can see the once again. Oh,